In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a playlist on YouTube in absolutely no time, and as a bonus you will also learn how to delete unwanted videos from inside the playlist and also how to add or remove the playlist from your channel page. If you do want to go to a specific part of the video, please check the timestamps from the description. Let's get it started. What you have to do to create a brand new playlist is press on your profile icon, then head inside YouTube Studio. Inside it, press on content, and here you can see all the videos which you uploaded on your channel. Either they are on public, private or unlisted. In order to create a brand new playlist on YouTube, please find and select a video with which you would like to start the playlist with. Select it, then press on new playlist and new playlist again. Here is very recommended to take it seriously and take some time to proper title your new playlist name and the description, as this will help a lot in terms of search, keywords and SEO results. After you're done preparing the playlist, press on create and the playlist has been created. Now if you want to add more videos inside the playlist, just select the subjects, then as before press on add to playlist. Select the playlist which you created earlier, then press on save, and all these 3 videos were added to the same playlist. Now I will show you what you have to do if you want to have this playlist shown on your YouTube channel page. Either what you must do if you want to eliminate a specific video from the playlist. So let's start with all this. In order to have the playlist on your channel page, press on customize channel, then press on the home tab. Here you can rearrange the order and make everything looks nice. To add the created playlist on your channel page, press on add section, then select single playlist and select which playlist you would like to showcase on your page. And this is how the playlist looks on my profile page. Now let's take the other scenario. What if you want to delete a specific video from the playlist? Well, for this press on the 3 dots, then on view playlist. Now find the video which you would want to delete, and remember it will delete the video from the playlist, not from your YouTube channel. Press on the 3 dots again and press on remove from the playlist. Thank you a lot for watching.